Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with another uh, church sale, and when I went back today, it was fill a bag for $5. Anything and everything you could get in a bag. I filled bags. I filled 2 bags just with clothes because I ruined so many t-shirts of mine from painting that I go to these sales like this and I just fill a bag full of just t-shirts, and I don't care what's on them because I end up with paint on them, so I am not going to show you them. And I found Scott some pants for work and a couple shirts because he may go back to working in a paper mill. His boss called him and asked him if he wanted to come back, so he's thinking about it. So either way, I got him shirts, but I'm here to share the other stuff. I'm not going to show you the clothes. I put these in the bag. They're little wooden watermelons. I thought they'd look cute outside as a decoration. I'll spray them. So you got 2 of them. One seems to have different paint. And they're going opposite directions. So I thought those were kind of cute. So I got them. And some of this was in little bags. I already was showing Scott. So like this little picture frame with somebody's cat in came with. This little birdhouse, which I thought was cute. And this little birdhouse. And this is why I wanted this bag. It says, if you want the best seat in the house, move the cat. That was so cute. So that was all in one little bag. And a butterfly. And then they had this. And it was $1. Yesterday. I didn't see it. Probably would have paid $1 yesterday, but I got it in the bag today. I'm going to hang it outside. But I'll glue this down so it stays on a little pole. There's a little parrot and a little cute just hanging in my tree. So I got that. Also. And then bags of pearls. Oh, I didn't even notice. I had these little wooden hearts in and I didn't even notice that. I just wanted the pearls because I have a plan for them. Oh, God damn, they wanted $2 for this originally. So I got that one, and I also got this one. Which had these type and then this type. Always, crafters, always have potential for everything to see. Yeah. And then, this. Scott and I went looking last year. We had a hard time finding them. Was plate holders. Because we have some plates we want to display on the wall. So, I grabbed them. There's some in here as well. And then, there's other stuff. Oh. They had $2 for this envelope box. I'm surprised nobody bought that yesterday. But I took it and put it in my bag today. Envelopes are Crafter's Delight. And then there's this stamp set. I think it's missing a lot. So, I have to kind of piece together. But, like I told Scott when I was showing Scott, I said, just this one right here would be cool for mixed media, you know. This is supposed to be a city. Oh, this is, let's see. This is the jet, or whatever. Yeah, that's this. Oh, it's words. It's not a city. It says, I don't know. I have to stamp it out. But I just threw it in a bag. My neighbor Diane's like, it's funny. I'll tell you in a minute. But I just put it in there. I figured, what the hell? You know, may not all be there. But I got this cool piece for mixed media. got that. And then a bunch of patterns that I'm not using for the patterns. I just want the pattern paper because it makes awesome collage. So, got a whole stack. Like that, and look at this. You know how many times I've bought these things at Dollar Tree? So let's see what's in it. I didn't even look. So, wait a minute. So we got heart. I know we got hearts, but hearts. Wondering what this was. Oh, that's cool. Hang that on the door. That's shamrocks, a bunch of hearts, little turtle, and then this. I think you put cards off it, but even if you took these off just to make a dangle. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, dropping stuff. Oh, we got a little raccoon as well. Okay, so we got all that in that little pail. As it keeps falling over. So we got all that in that little shamrock pail. Kind of cool. Alright. Oh, there's another shamrock. And then, in one bag itself, we got this knit spool with tapered pointed needle. I have no idea, but we'll check it out. And of course, this little pen and keychain. Staple remover. Oh, a stamp out of that little one. We got some sequins. This nice glass case, which is going to put, I'm hoping my glasses fit in. Yes. Cool. Because I'm putting it in my bike bag. Because I always have to bring my glasses. But I wear sunglasses for my helmet. And I can't wear my glasses. So I'll put that in my bags. Because my last set of glasses broke. The lady at the restaurant where we were at gave me some tape and I taped them so I could see the menu. It was funny. Alright, so I got, this was funny. So all this, I wanted, the bows is what I wanted. This was in there, these bows were in there, this was in there, and this was in there. All that. And then this one butterfly. Now yesterday, if you watched the church sale video yesterday, you saw those metal pieces on it. They had these butterflies in it, and we had this medium and large, and I found the small today. It was in this bag, so I grabbed that bag. But I wanted those bows too, so I just got lucky. Oh, here's another staple remover. I just got lucky because this is what I wanted, and then when I was moving the bag, I noticed it was in there. I'm like, oh, that was kind of cool. So Diamond's got all three now. Okay, so I walk into the sale, and my neighbor Diane, this is her church. It was like I said, fill a bag for $5, and she hands me a bag that's already got stuff in, and I laughed because it was stamps, and these were like $2 for these, and I told her yesterday I thought they were too pricey, because so you got the Dove, Merry Christmas, thanks, a little rabbit, it's cute. Another little rabbit. They probably were. This probably was a set, I imagine. And another foam stamp. It looks like snowflakes in this little bag. And they had $2 on that. I told Diane, that's a 50-cent bag right there. That's not no $2 bag. In my opinion. Then they had, and what kills me is it says $1 here and then $2 there. So they had this one. And I know this is a Stampin' Up. Okay. I don't think this is a Stampin' Up. It's a deer. What's that right there? This is Stampin' Up. The greatest gift is a portion of thyself. Ralph Waldo Emerson. And then we got a little bird. Got this little frame, I guess. And another little frame. And then this one. It's pretty cool. It's cute. I'm so lucky I am here. Probably not. Ooh. Nope. Nope. Yep, I don't think I'm gonna get it in. I was hoping to get them all in together. Alright, we'll just do that. So we got that. And then we had $2 on this one. Somebody had this price for 18 bucks. Oh, but you never know. It may just be container. So you have a monkey, an elephant, a fish, a kitty cat, and a whale that says too cool. And this one. Good one for Riley to mess with. I don't know if the whole alphabet's here. We got $1 on the alphabet. So I'll have to look later. See if they're all here. Little foam alphabet set. And this one. It says awesome rock star. What's this? Little feet. Little flower. For you. A star. A little ziggy zagger thing. And here's another little shape. Hearts. We'll put that bird in there. I can't get it closed. There we go. And then we have this one. I think this might be a full set by Stampin' Up. I'm not sure. I don't know what they're called. They had $2 on this one. It's a little stars, circles, looks like a sun. It's kind of cute. And then, last but least, this one. And you have what's up, I love you, good work or good luck, too cute for words, I'm happy for you, really like you, better get better, congrats, a sailboat, and like a pretty little tree or flower, and then that one. So that is my church sale besides my clothes that I'm just not going to show you. But hey, I got some stamps out of it. Because they were all still there. I had a feeling when I went back today they would be. Oh, and I got this. A scarecrow hat. So much I make a scarecrow. I'm going to see if for Halloween, put them in my yard. With a pumpkin face and some bibs and like an old flannel shirt. I thought that would be cute. See, I look at stuff and I see potential every time I see, So, I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And remember, not everything is what it's made to be. You can always change it and use it for something else. Alright, bye. Alrighty, guys, and bye.